Do you know this? Let's make that a lot better. With a bit of printing, sawing, and screwing, we get a much better result. I really like to have small items in these boxes, as they're easy to spot through the transparent top and to reorganize. Additionally, they're easy to get here in Germany in mostly every hardware store under the brand EuroPlus Flex. Even the boxes are great. Reorganizing them could be a real pain. Finally! And with a tiny bit of effort, you can make a great extension to your workshop, which could be used also as the perfect workshop trolley. You just need some part 3D printed and some screws. And some basic tools like a drill and a knife. The printing should be a no-brainer. Before starting, ensure that the 3D printed parts and the paper parts align properly. Then cut on the marked line. Next, remove the front from the Eurobox. I use the multi-tool for that, but there should be also other alternatives. Please just take care that you not melt the plastic and do it smooth and slowly. Now remove the sharp leftovers with a deburring tool or the X-Acto knife. Mark the middle of the box and draw a perpendicular line. Place the template in the box and mark the 4 holes. Now drill them with a 4mm drill. Put the screws in the small wales from the outside and screw them into the large wales from the inside. And we're done already. You can add the boxes as you need them. And don't forget, as you have Euroboxes, you can stack them and add a workbench on the top. Did you like the project? Then leave me a comment what you would like to see next or where you have special challenges.